big bottle.
I dare you to eat it.
No, you're disgusting.
Drink it, drink it, drink it.
No, wait, there's still more in here. It's gross. I think it's the outside that makes it explode. So you know what? When I rub off, it just doesn't work anymore. Go get the other pack of Mentos.
Okay, wait.
Yeah. That didn't work out too well. I think I put too many packs of Mentos on. Oh, I got so